Hi, Chris. This is Joe. I'm going to show you what I would do to get you ranking and up and going pretty quickly. So, if you look through here, we have your regular GMB. Bio excavating, they were ranked pretty high, but they fell off. They quit paying for their website, so they're not going to be ranked number one for very much longer on that. Knife River is always going to be up there, but I will find a lot of their keywords and I will add them to your site. And it's not actually like I'm stealing keywords from them. It's keywords as in like uh, excavating near me, need a footer done, um, concrete near me, stuff like that. Those are all keywords. Something that the customer is going to type into the Google search bar and it be up there a lot. So here's like keyword search for excavating near me, excavating company near me, etc. So certain words like that are high volume, and you add those to your website, and that helps you rank. So that's what I would do is I would use a lot of these keywords, stick them into your website with proper content, and that would help you rank higher. uh, Construction, the other thing you're doing. So with you being a multifaceted company, it's going to help you rank higher too because you're going to have so much more keywords over such a large spectrum. So like Monolithic, if they had a better website, they wouldn't have to do so much ads and they wouldn't have to pay every month for those ads. Um, but if you look at their website, it's not very strong. There's not much on it. You really got to know how to please the Google algorithm, also known as the Google searchers, because they crawl through your website and look at all your content. This doesn't have very much content at all. So if you look at the Ahrefs where Google ranks, it's not ranking. The UR is ranked like it was just built. The DR has nothing because there's no content. There's nothing for the customer to read to see what you do. Their backlinks are super low. They're referring domains. You want to get both these in the upper hundreds. And you want your organic keywords in the 2, 3, 400 range. You want keywords from everywhere. So anything that someone searches, your stuff will come up. And that's what I'll do is I'll make sure that you have all the keywords of all your local competitors that are comparative to you, and that'll help you rank higher. Um, so yeah, these are your local GMB competitors on the construction side of it. Um, you'll be able to jump those pretty quickly. Uh, the excavating side of it, same thing. Buyers falling off their website's not even valid anymore. Knife River, that's one that you're not going to be able to jump over, but you can get right underneath. But with it being such a big business, it doesn't rank the same as a small business. Um, because people will just look it up as Knife River, so most of their keywords aren't searched much. So, and then with like Matthews Excavating and stuff, they don't have a website, so it's not going to be too hard for you to climb this ladder on the excavating side of things. But with you doing both of them, it's going to help you climb the ladder pretty quickly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope I was able to explain it to you pretty easily, but I can show you more on paper. It's a lot easier. So thank you for watching this video, and can't wait to get back in contact with you so we can get this going and get your website ranking so you can get more customers before it gets to cold weather time.